Hello, and thanks for joining us for our training timeout today. Guys, we're going to keep this as simple as possible. I'm Joe Gruss. I take care of contractor sales at PLS. And what we want to bring to you today is a very unique product offering from Orion Lighting. As you'll see now, the sell sheet come up on the screen. I'll go through some of this with you. Guys, this is 161 lumens per watt, 179,000 L70 rating. Let's just make sure everybody understands L70. That's not how long the fixture will last. It's going to last longer than that. L70 is when that fixture becomes 30% less bright and is at 70% of its original capacity. 179,000 hours, guys. I very, very much encourage you to go out there and look at the 2x4 retros or flat panels, whatever it is you're installing. I encourage you to go and look and see where you're at with what you're using. Guys, these are going to come to you from Manitowoc, Wisconsin, one piece, fully assembled. Lightweight aluminum construction. A lot of times when we look at retrofitting an office space or wherever the 2x4 application may be, and you go with something like lamps, guys, at the end of the day, when you're done, you have the exact same look as what you started with. With this product, you're going to get a fresh, new look. Big deal. Guys, controls and accessories are available. And now for the biggest benefit to this thing is the labor savings. I'm going to cut to a video right now from Orion and show you how long it takes. There you have it. It's literally that simple, guys. Believe me, I've sold a ton of these and they do work like that. Give it a try. Give me a call. Shoot me an email. Let me get a price out to you on these things. You're gonna love them. Talk to you all real soon.